Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Saregama Carvaan 2.0 music player. There's a window over here through which you can see what this particular music player is going to look like. This is what it looks like, as you can see. We don't have a lot of information on the box. It says that this particular music player comes with 3000 preloaded evergreen Hindi songs with you. It also has 6 months of warranty. Quickly take a look. Okay, there's some information over here. It says specifications: 3.5mm earphone jack, MicroSD up to 32GB, USB to micro USB cable, 60cm aux cable, weight is 140 grams, which is very light. So that's all the information on this box. I'm going to open this box and show you what's inside now. So it comes in this metallic box. It's a great touch, by the way. Open it like so. And this is the music player in question. Let's quickly take a look what's underneath. So this is what you find inside the box. First we have a SIM card tray ejecting pin. This is what it looks like. It's a very small pin. Leave it over here. We also have a couple of documents over here. This is a user manual for the Carvaan Go, and this is a quick installation guide. Basically tells you how to download and use the Carvaan app. So basically you have to download an app in order to use this particular device. There's also this pouch, this cloth pouch. This has some stuff in it, mostly wires and cables. This is a micro USB charging cable. This is the first cable. Next up we have a 3.5mm aux cable. There you go. This is a lanyard, a carrying strap for when you want to carry this particular music player around. And over here we have a headset, in fact. So let me just quickly take a look. So over here we have this particular earphone. There you can see the particular earphone. It's a black earphone, along with some silicone tips like these. There are 3 silicone tips over here. Are there 3? Oh, there's one more. There you go. So there are 2 large and 2 small silicone tips that comes with this particular music player. And this is the music player in question. The color is blooming blue. There's a layer over here. I'll just remove this particular plastic layer. There you go. It comes with this pretty big display screen over here, and so this is how you hold it actually. These are the buttons, so you can browse through the artists, specials and playlists using these buttons. There's a pretty big display screen over here, and these are your navigation buttons. So there is a play pause button, your plus minus volume button, also this button for liking devices. And this is the knob that you use to control all the different playlists and also the music volume. On this side you have music plus minus button, and also there's a button over here to activate Bluetooth among other things. This is your micro USB charging port. And what else do we have? There's a 3.5mm port over here and a power on off button over here. And on this side you have 2 more modes. There's an SD mode and an FM AM mode. And there's a little tray over here. So this is basically where you put your SD card slot in, and you use this particular ejecting pin to open this. Otherwise it will be very difficult for you to open it. And it comes with this really nice matte blue finish, as I mentioned earlier. And that's more or less it. And there you go. This is what you will find inside the box containing the Saregama Carvaan 2.0 music player. Thank you for watching.